SAP Support is dedicated to delivering exceptional customer experiences, fostering trust, and driving meaningful business impact. We aim to provide a world-class support experience by efficient issue resolution, ensuring swift and efficient resolution of customer issues. Continuous improvement, continuously enhancing our product, content, and overall support quality to meet evolving customer needs. In the era of digital transformation, businesses are leveraging cloud technology, artificial intelligence, and automation to optimize operations, improve decision-making processes, and facilitate seamless scalability for accelerated growth and innovation. As our customers ride this wave of technological advancement, SAP is proactively evolving its support strategy to align with your expanding needs. Our focus is shifting towards a more proactive approach, emphasizing problem prevention rather than solely focusing on rapid issue resolution. By infusing automation and agentic AI framework, SAP aims for preventative risk mitigation. We use automated agents to continuously monitor your environments, identifying misconfigurations, incorrect usage, and potential risks, and proactively notifying you to implement necessary adjustments. Leveraging advanced machine learning and AI, we can predict peak period consumption and efficiently address identified risks. Our goal is to prevent business disruptions while employing agentic AI to offer swift and seamless support for non-critical issues. So how does this happen? Risks can originate from multiple sources, including go-lives, post-go-lives, volume increase, release cycles, and others. If not managed effectively, these events can significantly disrupt business operations. To address this, we integrate risk identification with technical analysis, leveraging customer data to assess potential issues. Our automation agent aggregates data from various sources, such as cloud health checks, platform, and data history, to generate a risk object. This assessment categorizes identified issues based on the necessary resolution approach, subsequently guiding and activating our risk management strategies. When direct interaction is minimized, an AI agent is utilized to automate mitigation, resolving issues proactively before they impact our customers. In other scenarios, we may require action from customers or partners. This could involve creating proactive cases or notifying the front office to engage with the customer or partner. In situations that demand extensive involvement, SAP customer support experts step in to manage critical issues, providing thorough assistance. By providing round-the-clock control room support, real-time monitoring, and proactive risk mitigation, SAP helped ensure smooth performance and availability for SAP Commerce Cloud during occasions like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Achieving 100% uptime in the last Black Friday and Cyber Monday events, SAP has set a new standard for holiday preparedness. The readiness and support provided during high-traffic events demonstrate how a preventative strategy can revolutionize the support requirements for these critical times in the customer lifecycle. Data and patterns help us identify risks so we can devise preventative solutions. While AI identifies the issue, we offer the expertise needed to resolve it. Technology offers insights and we create a seamless experience. SAP, where innovation meets exceptional support.